Today we are checking a project which is in Marine Lines. So this is the new project. It is 2 basement plus entrance lobby plus 9 level podium parking plus E-deck for amenities and 58 habitable floors. First floor starts at the height of 144 feet from the ground. That is almost 14th floor from the ground. And all the apartments are sea facing homes for lifetime. That is amazing opportunity in Marine Lines. So let's check out a 3 BHK which is 988 carpet rectangular shaped living room which is 273 square feet area plus 40 square feet balcony, and this is your dining space area. Kitchen is in L shape. That's the amazing part of the project. This is your dining space which is 3200 into 3150 area, which is 0.6 into 10.4 area of dining space. Will take you to the living space. Living space is around 10.6 into 15.4 living area, and that's your view from the living area. Entire Marine Lines sea facing view. That's the beauty of the flat. And 40 square feet deck, amazingly constructed. Let's continue from here. Take a wider view of the living area from here. Let's enter the kitchen which is in L-shaped fashion. So kitchen is around 8 by 8 into 10 feet of kitchen in an L-shaped platform, and here you are getting dry balcony space for washing machine and other use. Amazingly constructed. Huge tower. All the flats are facing sea. So that's the beauty. And from here you can see the living room. That's the passage which is 19.3 into 3.6 is your passage area. That's your common bedroom which is around 10 into 11.6 with the wardrobe space attached and the sea facing. Imagine you are waking up in the morning and having an amazing view from here. That's gonna be a great time. That's your wardrobe space. It's 10 by 11.6. We have 2 master bedrooms and 1 common bedroom. So bedroom 1 is 1106 square foot. And from here you get the entire sea view. This is the night view from here. Amazing place. Starting from 4.6 crore. That's a common bathroom and glass partition there as well. Bathroom is of 5 by 8 feet, and this is your first master bedroom which is around 116 square feet with the wardrobe space. That's your master bedroom. That is 10 into 11.6 in easy way. And this is your master bathroom which is 7 into 5.1 with the glass partition. And also from here you get the amazing sea facing flat, sea facing bedroom. 3 BHK 988 carpet area plus the 40 square foot deck. Amazingly constructed new project under construction and a reputed developer. Contact for all the details. Marine Lines, best place to live in Mumbai with the sea facing apartment. This is your passage. We'll be entering the 3rd bedroom which is 154 square foot, and this is your bathroom over here which is around 8.6 into 5.1 area. Let's check the 3rd master bedroom which is more spacious, which is 154 around 11 into 14.0 with the wardrobe space attached. We'll be checking out over here. I'll take a wider view from here so that we can cover the entire bedroom. That's the best part, with the balcony which will be facing the sea over here. Amazing. Contact for all the details of this project. Book your site visits right away in an amazing pricing and the best opportunity to live in Marine Line sea facing flats.